What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all doing today? Today we're going to be working on some nails dedicated to my late grandmother. I shared with you guys in a previous video that she passed away, and I really just wanted to make these nails as kind of a tribute to her and to her life. Nails are the way that I express myself, the way that it's my art, really, and it's something that I really enjoy to do. It's something very near and dear to me, and it's something that gets me through a lot of hard times in my life. And so this was something really, really sentimental and special to me that I felt like I had to do in order to celebrate my grandmother and just everything that she brought into my life. Similar to this hobby, she's helped me through a lot of really, really difficult times in my life. And I've never lost a grandparent before. I don't really claim any of my other grandparents, so you guys can just imagine, or maybe you can't imagine how I'm feeling. But if you've ever lost a grandparent, my heart definitely goes out to you. And I don't want to make this a really, really depressing video, but it was really, really hard to make these nails just because I was getting so many different memories of just my grandmother. And it's so interesting, because sometimes I think I hear her voice, I think I can smell her, and I feel her presence, so I'm having a really, really hard time dealing with that. But being able to film and having this creative outlet has definitely helped me a lot. So I want to thank you guys for being here. I want to thank you guys for your support during Vlogust. It really meant so much to me. Also, I hope you guys are liking this new background. After Vlogust, looking at the same background was kind of driving me a little insane. So I thought it was time for a change, and I bought this background off Amazon. If you want the link, comment below and I'll try to find it for you. But yeah, so I made these nails as a tribute to my grandmother, and these nails will be available for purchase once my website is redone. I'm not sure if my Etsy page will be working by the time that this video goes up, but if it is, just check the description below. And if the Etsy link is there, that means that these nails are up and available for purchase, and you can go ahead and buy them, and you can have a little piece of my grandmother as well. So, but yeah, just like I was saying earlier, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for tuning into my content, and thank you for just appreciating my art. It really, really means so much to me. So yeah, you guys can see what I'm doing. It took me a while to kind of conceptualize these nails, but I knew that I wanted to include purple and gold and also butterflies. Purple was my grandmother's favorite color, and it's so interesting because growing up, I never really liked purple like that, but now I love the color purple so much, and it's my brand color. Purple is like all over my room. Like I have so many just purple things in my room. Like I love the color purple. And I remember being younger and asking my grandmother like why that was her favorite color, and she told me that it was because it was the color of royalty. And that just never made sense to me. I understand now, but I didn't get it, when I was growing up. And I realized now, having a brand and incorporating purple into a lot of my brand things. Purple is a hard color to manufacture. It's hard to actually make purple stuff, especially like that nice lavender color purple. And there's something about the color purple that's just really rare and special. And so that's why I love the color so much. And thinking about my relationship with my grandmother, I leaned on her a lot, emotionally, mentally. She was there when my parents were going through it. She was there when I was going through it, and her and my dad never really had all that great of a relationship. It's interesting because there's so many things that I know about my grandmother, or that I knew about her, I guess, that my dad doesn't know. Like, he didn't know her favorite color was purple. He didn't know anything really. They had kind of a strained relationship, which I won't go too deep into it, but just to let you guys know how much she meant to me and how much it means to me to be creating this set and to have something of her to share with you guys. So I really hope you guys like this set and the way that it turned out. I did a bunch of different kind of ombres. You saw earlier I painted on like my base colors and things like that, but this not this nail, the last nail that I did, the white ombre, I really love the way that one came out. I love white as like a nail bed color for some reason. It's such a vibe, so I hope you guys enjoy it as well. But yeah, I'm going to kind of just allow you guys to enjoy the music and enjoy the rest of the video and enjoy the art while I finish creating this set. I go on to apply some bling and create some clusters on the nails as well and add some stickers. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. If you need the links to any of the products that I'm using, feel free to ask for that and I will get that to you as well. But yeah, just a big thank you again for being here, you guys, and I will insert some pictures of these nails and the way that they turned out at the end of the video. And again, if these nails are available for purchase, the Etsy link will be in the description box, so make sure you check that. Don't forget to like my video so that it gets recommended to more divas like you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure that you're tuned in for all the future content. Really pretty fall sets coming up. I got a review coming up for you guys if that's not posted already. I got a couple vlogs coming up for you guys. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed and part of the Diva Gang because you don't want to miss any of that. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these nails. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, Diva Gang. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Mwah.